Hello, everyone. Today, our discussion revolves around dendritic and mast cells, essential components of our immune system. We'll delve into their distinguishing characteristics, identify whether they belong to innate or adaptive immunity, and discuss their crucial roles. Dendritic cell starts as circulating monocytes that enters damaged tissue and differentiates major antigen presenting cell that is also phagocytic. Known for their unique shape, dendritic cells excel at presenting antigens to activate T cells, playing a crucial role in initiating adaptive immune responses. So, here are the identifying characteristics of dendritic cells. In specialized innate antigen presenting cells, dendritic cells are specialized immune cells crucial in presenting antigens to initiate immune responses. While in superior activation of naive T lymphocytes, dendritic cells excel in activating naive T cells, which are crucial for initiating adaptive immune responses against pathogens. In balancing immune response and tolerance, dendritic cells help the immune system distinguish between harmful pathogens and harmless substances, ensuring appropriate immune responses while preventing attacks on self or harmless environmental antigens. And in pathogen interaction and signal reception, dendritic cells capture pathogens and receive signals from them, influencing the direction and effectiveness of the immune response. While dendritic cells are known for various functions, histamine release is not a characteristic typically associated with them. Histamine release is more commonly attributed to mast cells and basophils. So, are they part of the innate or adaptive immunity? Dendritic cells form a distinct cellular system capable of initiating primary immune responses. Serving as part of the innate immune system, they relay crucial information from the external environment to the cells of the adaptive immune system. Moreover, dendritic cells can trigger active immune responses or induce immunological tolerance, regulating the intensity and nature of immune reactions. What are the roles? Dendritic cells serve as essential antigen presenting cells, crucial for initiating and regulating the adaptive immune response. Within the respiratory system, dendritic cells play a pivotal role in kickstarting adaptive immune responses against various stimuli, including foreign invaders, infections, commensal microorganisms, or tissue damage. In the context of autoimmunity, dendritic cells act as central regulators, maintaining the delicate balance between immunity and tolerance. Dysfunction or alterations in the specialized dendritic cell system are common features observed in both systemic and tissue specific autoimmune diseases. Moreover, in the skin, dendritic cells function as abundant specialized antigen presenting cells, acting as immune sentinels in peripheral tissues. These skin resident dendritic cells migrate to lymph nodes where they interact with naive T cells, initiating immune responses against pathogens, vaccines, tumors, and self antigens. Next, we have the mast cells. Also known as a mastocyte or labracyte, is a specialized type of white blood cell distributed throughout the body's connective tissues. It is mainly concentrated near blood vessels, lymph vessels, and nerves, as well as in the lungs and intestines. These cells are characterized by numerous granules within their structure, rich in substances like histamine and heparin. Anchored within tissues, mast cells play essential roles in inflammation and allergic responses through a process known as degranulation. In this process, they release granules, contributing to the body's immune and inflammatory reactions. Here are the distinguishing features of mast cells. They play a central role in inflammatory and allergic reactions. They are pivotal in both immediate allergic reactions and inflammatory responses. They are indispensable for orchestrating allergic reactions and contribute significantly to the body's immune defense mechanisms against allergens and pathogens. Their importance in innate and adaptive immunity. Mast cells hold crucial roles in both innate and adaptive immunity, particularly in tissues exposed to environmental factors like the airways, lungs, and intestinal lining. Their presence in these tissues is vital for detecting and responding to potential threats. Release of various chemicals. Mast cells are known for releasing multiple chemicals, including histamine, heparin, cytokines, and growth factors, during allergic reactions and specific immune responses. These substances play diverse roles in modulating inflammation, immune responses, and tissue repair. Capacity for pro inflammatory mediator release. Mast cells can release numerous pro inflammatory mediators, amplifying immune responses and promoting inflammation. This capacity underscores their significance in the body's defense against pathogens and allergic reactions. Immediate degranulation upon activation. Mast cells undergo immediate degranulation, releasing stored granules containing various mediators such as histamine. These, this rapid response is crucial for initiating and amplifying immune and allergic reactions. Are they part of the innate or adaptive immunity? Mast cells are innate immune cells stationed in tissues like airways and intestines, providing rapid defense against invaders through immediate activation and mediator release. While primarily innate, they also shape adaptive immunity by guiding immune responses and interacting with T and B cells, thus playing vital role in both arms of the immune system. What are the roles? So, mast cells are pivotal in innate immunity, capable of responding to bacterial and parasitic infections by secreting their mediators. This action optimally induces inflammatory and adaptive immune responses, contributing to the body's defense against pathogens. Situated strategically, mast cells influence visceral sensitivity. Upon degranulation, they trigger reactions from motor neurons, potentially leading to hypersecretion and heightened propulsion, which can manifest as symptoms like diarrhea and abdominal pain. Mast cell degranulation releases mediators that sensitize silent nociceptors in the large intestine, contributing to pain perception. The distinctive cytoplasmic granules characterize mast cells, and the high acidity of heparin within these granules leads to a color change when exposed to alkaline dyes. Lastly, mast cells are adept at detecting allergens, substances that trigger allergic reactions. Upon detection, mast cells release histamine and other chemicals into the bloodstream. Histamine causes blood vessels to dilate, leading to itchiness and swelling of the surrounding skin, characteristic features of allergic reactions. So, dendritic and mast cells are indispensable players in our body's immune defense, orchestrating intricate responses that safeguard our health. Their roles span from immediate defense to shaping long term immunity, reflecting their significance in combating diseases. That is all. Thank you for listening.